Welcome to our YouTube video on rolling. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what rolling is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Rolling is a metal forming process where metal stock is passed between one or more rotating rolls to reduce thickness, change cross-section, or improve surface finish. Think of rolling like flattening dough with a rolling pin. The material becomes thinner and takes on the desired shape as it passes through the rollers. So, why is it so important to understand what rolling is? Because it allows engineers to produce uniform sheets, plates, and structural components, ensures precise thickness and quality, and is a fundamental process in metalworking and manufacturing industries. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.